This is how we're starting the morning out.
You push me, Dana?
I will push you, yes. We stopped by Walmart to buy an umbrella stroller because we carried her around. She walked a lot yesterday at Busch Gardens, but we thought this would be a tad bit simpler. He's had fun putting this thing together, right?
Definitely.
Don't put it on wrong. Oh, she just came over there, laid on his chest and said, I love you. You're so sweet. You're sweet. So this isn't necessarily a good thing when, as Lakeland calls, there's extras when all the pieces didn't get on the stroller. Let's hope it works.
I need to take my stroller.
Huh? We're gonna take your stroller, yes. All right, we have a new stroller, so she'll be a little more comfy. And it's a little more crowded today, so it looks like we will be taking a tram. I almost forgot to look what parking lot we're in. So 37 Italy. Okay, I'm loving this. They have an actual area for parents with strollers, so you don't have to fold the strollers up, you just have to take the kids out. So that's nice. So it's actual a special line and everything that you come through. If you watched yesterday's vlog, you know about the coaster that Lakeland rode all by himself. Well, this one is it. There was nobody else on the train but him. He said it was really long, and this was where it was kind of creepy because he went over a swamp and that he could see all the parking lots and they were empty, and it just made it creepy because it was like he was deserted there at the park. Did you like the boat ride? Yeah? Okay, let's see what else we can find. She's been pointing over here. She knows characters are over here. Oh, come on. Let's go see him.
Mommy.
Are you so excited to see Elmo? Yeah. Okay, tell Elmo you're excited. How excited. Okay, we tell him bye.
Bye.
This is how you amuse yourself with the stroller? Really? She wanted to come see the turtle. She actually remembered this from yesterday. For Sesame Street Kid Weekends, they have different activities in these little booths. They'll have a dance party going on at certain times. They have like the toss game, but you're actually tossing cookies, and hula hoop. She's like, take my picture, take my picture. Oh, you want to take another picture with Abby? Oh, you want to sit there. Okay, hold on. So it looks like Water Country USA has Virginia's first water coaster. Oh, I remember this. We're in this really cool gift shop, and I want to show you these adorable little skeletons. Oh my gosh. The 4-leaf clover. Oh, that one's adorable. How much are these? And what, oh, Friday the 13th, like it's his birthday with the birthday hat. I just got it. It's all like superstitions. The cat. Anyway, the salt. You know, the rainy cloud. Oh, this is cool. Friday the 13th. These are only $12.99. Oh my goodness. Okay, this is a really cool steampunk looking thing. What is that? It's a clock and it's how much?
How much do you think?
I don't know. 45.
64.
64. That's still not too bad. That is cool. Pick up that mirror, Lakeland, for me. This is $21.95 and he is not paying attention. Look at that mirror. You like that skeleton? I pulled up and she goes, look at that skeleton. Look at all the adorable little skeletons that are $7.99. The robot. Okay, right now, comment below which of these adorable little $7.99 creatures would you get? Adele here, baby girl behind me. She's like, I'm ready to go. I'm ready to go. I'm ready to ride in a cup. What do you want to go do?
I want to go in teacup.
Oh, sorry, sweetie. You got it.
There you go.
Oh, yay. Wow. Look at Lakeland.
Hi.
Hey, look up.
Do you see the bird?
Look. Yeah, Lakeland has the bird. You want to hold it?
Look.
Yeah, I think you'll change your mind.
I don't think they're right.
Hey.
You got a piggy.
Hi, bird.
I want a picture.
Look at that one with his feathers all from
You want to pick one up? Can you hold? Oh, see,
He gets mad when you try to take it away.
Yep, he did not want it taken away. He was gonna fight me.
If you sneak it from underneath me.
Yeah. Look, he was gonna do it again.
I want to hold on.
Oh my gosh, you have 3. They're gonna fall. Oh my gosh, and look, more are coming. Oh my goodness. Oh, no, you're fine, you're fine. She thinks I've already, what did it do? Don't let that fall. He's like yelling at you in your ear. I can't, my hands are full. I got pooped on, guys. I can't, my hands are full. Oh, they're fighting. They're about to. Like, this one will not leave Lakeland's shoulder, and he has no food, and it won't leave. Oh my goodness, that is so funny. He's so worried he's gonna poop on him. Oh, that would have been a good picture, good thumbnail. You're doing so good, baby girl. He likes you. He will not move. No, he won't get off of you. Okay, can you hold it? My hands are full. Oh, he's moving. He likes you. Uh-oh. One went away. Okay, my cup is almost empty, so that one got bored. Is it empty? Is it all gone? I wonder if you started walking, if he would start walking. Start walking. Like, pick the stroller up. Hi, bird. Yeah? You are watching them. See? Don't get... Oh. Yeah. Don't get too close. There we go. So start walking and see if he walks with you.
I don't know. She's chilling.
It's so funny.
I think I scared.
You did. We got extremely lucky because right before we got in, they stopped selling nectar because it's too much for the birds, so they'll stop selling for a while. But 2 different people gave us the remainder of their nectar so that the birds would come up to us. So that was really nice of them. All you Disney folks out there, does this look familiar? That's the same type of merchandise that the France Pavilion has. We're in a little store in the France section. They actually have gem mining here, so you buy these bags and they're either $7.99, $12.99, and you run it through the water thing I just showed you, and then so you pour your bag into the sifters here, and then these are the types of rocks and gems that you will find. Okay, you ready to ride the train again? She requested this from yesterday. Did y'all see yesterday's vlog?
That the griffin is named after a mythical beast with the head of an eagle and the body of a lion. The griffin is a
Come take it out.
Not yet.
Past the point of no return, baby, on the summer night. The shine of love and the sparkle left to breathe. The stars align and the month times night burn like a dried out leaf. Are we leaving on the next train, baby? I do believe. Come on, let's ride this train.
They actually have a covered section of the train, like a in-the-box caboose type thing. She's going, I want to pet that horse. She wanted to come back and see the horses. Beautiful creatures. Beautiful. Show her how big the foot is. Look how big the horse's foot is. See how big it is? Hey horse. Somebody left their pigeon. Oh my goodness. We get to pet a horse.
Big horse.
You ready to see that horse? He's so excited. He'll actually pose. How many? 3. So it's 12:12. We're gonna leave. You see she's holding a little special something. The horse was absolutely amazing. Like, I normally don't get like buy pictures and stuff, but there was one of the horse smiling and grinning, and I am like cracking up because he's like right over my shoulder. He did awesome. But anyway, so you bought that picture and got the little horsey. It was a little special deal. So, and I hadn't bought her anything, you know, either day that we've been here. So she got a little Busch Gardens Clydesdale horse. We're headed out. We haven't had lunch, so we're thinking we're gonna go, you know, out somewhere, eat some lunch, maybe go back to the room and get her a little nap. Here's the special stroller loader I was talking about, loading area. We were on the tram, Lakeland noticed the stroller got bird poop on. It really looks gross. All right, we've decided to do Cracker Barrel. You can never go wrong with Cracker Barrel. We definitely came to the right spot because this thing has been keeping her entertained for quite a while. On Saturdays, Cracker Barrels have chicken and rice and a mushroom gravy. I love it. I love their carrots, and baby girl loves their carrots and hash brown casserole. Lakeland always gets dumpling, and then he'll switch up what he gets with it. So he got beans and mashed potatoes this time. What are you?
I'm a girl.
A little girl, you are. I don't know where she was saying that, but
I want to go see a light.
we're gonna go see lights now. I just want to say I did not mean to, but I did it. Come here. Let's show everyone. See the color of her shirt and jeans, and then see the color of mine. I did not even do that intentionally. It is 7:37 in the evening, and we are back. They have a height check as soon as you get in, but of course we're coming in so late, it's closed. So I'm curious, well, not curious, I'm excited, to just see the lights and everything since we weren't here during night hours. Alright, came out of this store and look at that hidden Mickey. Y'all agree, don't you? Most likely, and I knew this was going to happen, the whole Sesame Street area closes early because, you know, most kids...
Never mind, there's a kid on that.
Really?
Yeah.
Well, that's only because they're probably the last one. It probably just closed. Is it just 8?
Yeah, 8
Okay, so 8 o'clock it closes, and that's probably just because of the hours. It's April, so in the summertime I'm sure it will stay open later. Store's open though, so we're gonna ride this thing again. Not that I really want to, but we really want to get to the other side of the park quickly, so we're gonna have to. Goodbye, station. I gotta say train station. I don't know what you call this. Cab station. I don't know. Okay, let's... It's better to look, for me to look down in the camera because it doesn't seem real. So, right. Well, I don't like heights. I just, oh my gosh, I hate it when when you go over the tower part, like right there, it does this wobbly thing because you're in a track and it's scary. Stop it, we don't say that word.
Into the goats.
Stop it, we don't say that word. Oh, horses.
Glide.
No, we don't say anything like that. But there's the horse stable.
The dogs.
There's dogs in there?
Yeah, you know those black and white dogs that all over his pets?
Oh yeah. So, baby girl said she wanted to come this way, and then all of a sudden she saw that and stopped dead in her tracks.
High five.
High five that bear.
High five.
You're looking at his toes, they're big.
Aren't they big? High five. Let's give him a high five.
Oh. High five.
High five. Let's high five. Give him a...
Oh, that's a no.
Okay. Say bye-bye.
Say bye, bear. Bye, bear. We found another bear. He's all colorful, not as scary, so she didn't like stop dead in her tracks. Oh, she's saying aw.
Here, come here.
Nope. Alright. So that was the Alpengeist, I guess, and what did you think of it?
It's the best roller coaster I've ever ridden.
Really? Why?
It's just, I don't know. It was awesome. You went like, it went upside down like some roller coasters, and it also like completely spun. But like you're not sitting down in like a normal roller coaster, you're hanging. So when you
your feet are hanging.
So when you start like spinning, you just get vroom, and like your head is closer to the track, and it's just, I can't.
Oh
explain
goodness.
It.
Oh, you mean the whole car sways?
The whole car goes completely upside down. It's like a 360.
Oh, I would
and then
get
when
sick.
It goes upside down, it doesn't go upside down like a normal roller coaster. You go up, and then you're like looking at the sky, and then you're going head down, and then like it's really cool.
All right, he really likes that. We finally made it into here. You want to go see the dinosaur? I thought you would. Oh my gosh, look at that tree house. How much fun is this? Whoa, it's so colorful and whimsical. Cool, it's a nice play area.
Yeah, let me hold your dummy.
Oh, I just stepped down a step and didn't even realize it. She ate them. All right, you said you wanted to slide.
I'll hold your hand.
Sit on your hiney.
You gotta sit down.
Really? Hey, what are you doing down there? Baby girl, what are you doing down there? Did you slide? Whoa, how are we gonna walk on this? It's bumpy. She's like, it's so bumpy. bumpy. Go ahead, walk up it. I'm giggling because a minute ago she's really having trouble walking up it. Well, that wasn't too bad, but a minute ago it was hilarious. This seems to be a must now, that we have to touch the big animals as we walk by. Is it Fluffy? Is it Fluffy? Oh, she saw a monkey. So I just realized that there in the distance, not that you can see anything, there's a roller coaster that's in the complete dark. Of course, during the day it's not, but at night there's no lights. So if you're in for that kind of thrill of not knowing where you're going, that's the roller coaster ride. Just wish I could tell you what the name of it was. Don't know because I can't see it. This is a beautiful area. Stage over here for shows. And the Marco Polo's marketplace. Kind of quiet back here. I will say $129.99. So we're back in the store. We came earlier today. We love it. There's a couple things that both of us wanted to get. So we are checking out. Oh, and to bribe this one to be still because she didn't want to be in here, we have to get ice cream after this. We found self-serve ice cream, soft serve, not self-serve, ice cream for her. So in this area, this is like the main meeting place for everybody before they leave. So it gets really crowded. And let's talk about bags. That totally caught me off guard. So we had to pay 10 cents for this bag.
I had to pay 10 cents.
Oh, I'm sorry. He had to pay 10 cents.
She put her stuff in there.
Because they don't have regular like plastic bags. You have to buy the bags if you want a bag.
I mean, I'm glad they're not plastic bags.
Yeah, that's true. So this Emporium and Felt and Feather, all the shops here in England stay open 30 minutes after closing. And we are headed out because they are closing in like 10 minutes.
So stoked we are getting done. Bags packed to a